My dear friends and subscribers of Sacha Paigam, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's weekly meeting, let us discuss the concept of global constitution. Global constitution means Islam or Islamic teachings. According to Islamic teachings, if someone causes you harm and you are advised not to seek revenge, forgive him. It may be painful for you, but giving the freedom to take revenge is painful for the one who caused you harm. Therefore, Islam permits you to seek equal retribution. But when you go to seek revenge, it's quite possible that things may escalate and you might be pursued as the oppressor. That is why forgiveness is recommended. However, if the one causing you harm is a habitual oppressor and inflicting pain is his norm, then forgiveness may not be the best course of action, as forgiving him might only strengthen his wrongdoing.